Marienplatz, a historical overview. Marienplatz is a famous square in Munich, Germany. It is in the center of the city. The name Marienplatz means Mary's Square in English. The square is named after a statue of Mary, which is in the middle of the square. History of Marienplatz. Marienplatz has a long history. It was first built in the 12th century. At that time, it was a marketplace. People came to buy and sell goods. The square became very important for trade. Many merchants and traders visited Marienplatz. In the 15th century, a big column was built in the middle of the square. This column is called the Mariensäule. The Mariensäule has a statue of the Virgin Mary on top. The statue is gold and shines brightly in the sun. People visit the statue to pray and give thanks. In the 19th century, Marienplatz became even more popular. Many important buildings were built around the square. One of the most famous buildings is the new town hall, or Neues Rathaus. The new town hall was completed in 1909. It has a beautiful Gothic design. The building is very tall and impressive. Features of Marienplatz. Marienplatz has many interesting features. One of the most famous is the Glockenspiel. The Glockenspiel is a clock that plays music and has moving figures. It is on the new town hall. Every day at 11 a.m. and 12 p.m., many people come to watch it. The figures dance and tell a story about Munich's history. Another important feature is the Old Town Hall, or Altes Rathaus. It is next to the new town hall. The Old Town Hall has a different style. It is older and has a beautiful facade. People can visit the Old Town Hall and see exhibitions about the city's history. In Marienplatz, there are also many shops, cafes and restaurants. Visitors can enjoy delicious German food and drinks. They can try pretzels, sausages and beer. The square is a great place to relax and watch people. Events in Marienplatz. Marienplatz is the center of many events in Munich. One famous event is the Christmas market. Every December, the square is filled with lights and decorations. Many stalls sell gifts, food and drinks. People come to enjoy the festive atmosphere. In the summer, Marienplatz is lively and full of tourists. There are often concerts and performances. People can enjoy music and dance in the square. It is a great place for friends and families to spend time together. Visiting Marienplatz. If you visit Munich, you should go to Marienplatz. It is easy to reach by public transport. There are many trains and buses that stop near the square. When you arrive, you will see the beautiful buildings and the statue of Mary. Take time to explore the square. You can take pictures and enjoy the view. Don't forget to watch the Glockenspiel. It is a unique experience. In conclusion, Marienplatz is a historical and cultural heart of Munich. It has a rich history and many beautiful features. Whether you are interested in history, shopping or food, Marienplatz has something for everyone. Visit Marienplatz and enjoy this wonderful place in Germany. I would appreciate it if you like and follow me.